As defined by the 12-factor app methodology, an application should never rely on the existence of system-wide packages and should declare all its dependencies exactly and completely in a special type of document called a dependency declaration manifest. When working with Node, this manifest is materialized by the package.json file, which is always located at the root of the project. This file includes the list of packages, also called dependencies required by the project, but also additional information about the project itself, such as its name, its description, its author, its repository's URL, and so on. Now, to initialize a new project, which in Node means creating the package.json file, we can use the npm init command that launches an interactive program asking you a series of questions. For each of these questions, we can either press enter to keep the suggested value in parentheses, or type in our own value and press enter to move on to the next question. Once prompted with the final question, is this okay? We can simply type yes followed by enter to generate the package.json file containing all the data we've just entered. Finally, you can check out the content of this file by simply opening it in your editor.